yet? When do we get to start stabbing people?
Wait, you got a knife?
Yeah, I got a knife. They passed them out at orientation. What the fuck? What?
What? I didn't say anything.
Don't worry. They say bald guys are more virile. They say chicks just love bald guys. Yeah, well, they also say it ain't the size that counts. So I wouldn't worry about those pathetic stick arms of yours.
I don't have stick arms.
Hey, do I know you?
Get back in your boxes, all of you! Don't make me come back there!
She is fucking hot. Oh, forget it, Sticky. Chicks like that need someone more, I don't know, virile? Does that guy look familiar? Yeah, come to think of it. He does. I can't put my finger on it. He's just, like, repulsive or something. He sure is.
They don't know me. They don't know you either.
I'm done with you, Chucky. You're tiny fucking dick!
They weren't there. They don't know what you did.
You just keep your mouth shut, Buster.
Andy. Get him!